I asked Singapore's busiest man Norbin what his favourite food was, and he said it has to be Hokkien Mee. So let's go. First, we get some prep work out of the way, soak our beehoon, boil wash our pork soup bones, render our lard to get crispy and liquid lard, and heat some garlic with the pure garlic no jitsu. Blend our chilli sauce and we are ready to start. Fry and smash our prawn heads in lard, adding onion and garlic when it gets fragrant. Fill the wok up with water, add our clean pork bones and some clams. Let it simmer for 2 hours. Meanwhile, lightly season our toppings and flash fry them in a hot wok. Nice clean wok, put in an excess amount of lard and fry 6 eggs. Clear some space to fry some minced garlic and then add our beehoon and yellow noodles. Now, because we don't have the jet engines normally used to make this dish, we're gonna cheat. Not in a she's just a friend why are you being so paranoid kind of way, but by burning the noodles with a torch to achieve that wok hei flavour. So instead of gas lighting, we are lighting gas. Once it smells like something is burnt, add our prepared prawn broth into the noodles. These noodles can drink better than your superstar friend, so don't be shy with them. Cover the lid and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. After which you can control the wetness according to your preferences. Add back our toppings, some strips of spring onions, fold everything in, plate it up and sprinkle a generous amount of crispy lard. Serve with some calamansi and our chilli sauce and then we are done. If you ever wondered why does Hokkien Mee taste so good, it's because these noodles are able to absorb and hide so much flavour. Spike it with some calamansi and chilli sauce and you will both want it and get it.